Good.
So that means that this here this is the change of character.
Exactly.
Okay. Can we look? Can I get another example?
Sure. Is this one clear enough?
Yes, this one is clear.
All right, so we can check another.
Right here.
Okay.
Actually, I'll do here. This was a uptrend.
This was
Can you still see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yes. So now, now this is the uptrend.
Yeah.
Now the change of character here. Where did it happen? The uptrend is a little bit different. So we'll start with. I'm gonna change the color of this one. Right here. Right here we have an inducement.
How is that inducement? Is that a valid pullback?
This is the highest candle.
Okay. I can see the candle now.
And this is the low has been broken. Yes?
Yeah, so you have the first thing, number one is impulse, the impulse.
Yes.
And on the impulse, you look for your inducement.
Yes.
So you've drawn the impulse, now you've seen the inducement. So you can label it inducement. Then what's the next thing?
The next thing is the correction.
Good.
And here you can see that there was a correction and price took out the inducement.
Exactly.
And now, yeah, now the uptrend is a little bit more difficult. Yeah, so now
After the correction, what do you have next?
after the correction, inducement correction, I'm not sure, honestly.
Okay, I think I get a challenge now. Did you write out those numbers from number 1 to 7? Did you write the items on the list?
Yes, but I don't do them all the time.
That's the problem. This stage you are now, you are still learning. You are still trying to get the steps. At this stage, you can write them down and be following them one after the other. See, this thing is simple so that the confusion will be out of it. You already know that the first thing is impulse. That's number 1 on the list. So you draw the impulse. Then you check what's number 2, inducement. You mark it. Then you check what's on number 3, correction. You identify it. What's number 4, the higher I. You mark it. What's number 5? Like that. It will make the confusion go away. But if you don't know what is next, the confusion will always be there.
Yes. Okay. I will practice. I will practice once I feel once I feel a little bit confident enough with what I'm doing.
The
I will
point right
start.
here is write those things down, number 1 to 7. Write them out. Because look at this chart now. You've done the impulse, you've done the inducement, you've identified the correction. The next thing is the II, which is very clear on the chart there for you to see. That's not the II. The II is that move that created that correction. That's the first II.
Yes.
Good. And once you see that II, the next thing is another impulsive move that causes a break of structure. So the next thing to label there is break of structure.
Yes.
Good. And once you confirm that the break of structure is valid, it means your higher low is confirmed too. So you write higher low down here.
Okay. Where is the inducement that the higher low took out?
I didn't get you.
Yeah. So you said that there needs to be an inducement taken out for the higher low to be confirmed.
No, I said the break of
Oh, the
structure has
low.
to be confirmed.
Yes.
And
So the
we've
higher
seen
low.
a valid break of structure up here.
Yes.
The higher low is simply the lowest point before the next valid break of structure. That's where the higher low is.
Yes.
So the higher low that created this valid break of structure now has created another impulsive move. So we will now repeat the process again. We'll do the valid pullbacks on that impulse. We'll look for the inducement and the process repeats again.
Yes. So, but is this impulsive move here? So this high low right there. Is that the last high or low on this chart? Because, yeah, so this is the last one. So this is the change of character here.
First of all, mark the inducement on that impulsive move.
Okay. Right here.
Good. So price took out inducement, but did not create a new high. Instead,
Yes.
took out the lower, took out the higher low.
Yes.
Is that correct? So,
Yes.
and we said the taking out of that higher low now is your change of character.
Okay. Can we do another example?
Sure. But this time around, I want you to, if you can write
Yes.
out those number 1 to 7 things, or if you
hmm.
already have them, you can just follow it, and I'll be watching you while you label them.
Yes. Can I do them after this chart?
Do you have them? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, because I will have to open the video
Is
because
that
I don't
right?
know them. I don't know them by heart. I only know some of them.
Yeah, that's exactly where the challenge is. So I'm not looking at them right now, but I know them because I've been practicing them. So
Hmm.
that's the point you need to get to. Immediately you get to that point, looking at your chart gets clear.
Yes. Okay. So, if I may, I want to start from here. This is an uptrend.
Okay?
I'm gonna start from here. There it is.
Okay.
Yes. So,
What you just did now, that's number 1, which is what?
so this is the impulse.
Good.
Yes. So this is the impulse, and right here is the inducement.
Good. That's number 2.
Yes. So this is the inducement. I will mark it. And then we have a correction.
That's good. That's number 3.
What I'll do is I'll put number 3 up here, which is the correction.
Where did you
But
put it?
now, this is the correction right here.
Draw the correction line. Let me see.
Okay.
No. That move that took out the inducement, that's a correction.
Okay. Only this move.
Yes.
Okay. That is the correction.
So what's the next thing after correction?
So the next thing is, I'm gonna take a guess, is a break of structure.
Okay.
I'm not.
The next
Yeah.
thing
So
is the higher high. Do you label the higher high?
yes.
That's number 4. You label it. The correction confirms the higher high.
Yes. This is the
Good.
higher high, and that is number 3. Yes. But now,
Okay, hold on.
mm,
Number 1 is impulse, right?
yes,
Number 2 is what?
inducement.
Good. Number 3 is what?
Correction
Good. And number 4?
is the higher high or the higher lower. Oh,
Good. Depending on the trend.
yes.
If it is downtrend, that would be lower low. If it
Yes.
is uptrend, that's higher high.
Yes.
Good. So number 5 now, we are looking for break of structure. That is a break of the higher high.
Yes. But that
Good.
didn't happen.
And
That's number 5. Yes.
yes,
Yeah, but that didn't happen.
good. But in this case, we didn't have higher high.
Okay.